The Swiss economy is performing well below its potential, and there is little doubt it will continue to be a challenging year. Roland Kläger, Raiffeisen Bank. Well, business confidence in Switzerland fell to 99.8 in August, which was well below market consensus and the lowest reading this year. What then are your thoughts on the Swiss business sector at present?
I mean, the cost leading indicator clearly surprised on the negative side today, at least for the August reading, and we actually do not expect the downward trend to continue from these low levels, but on the other hand, it doesn't look like a quick rebound is likely. I mean, the franc remains strong, and the recovery in the Eurozone is not improving neither. And with this regard, for example, the German IFO index last week disappointed too. So overall, we still expect a challenging year, and we stick to our GDP forecast for this year of 0.9%.
Okay, and second quarter non-farm payrolls in Switzerland increased to 0.6% year on year. However, the industrial sector posted the biggest loss, with payroll shrinking by 1.6%. To what extent do you believe the industrial sector to be struggling, and is there any evidence to suggest the tide can turn?
I mean, the industrial sector clearly is struggling, and the labor market figures also today reflect these heavy headwinds, in particular in manufacturing. The overall increase of payrolls is mainly based on the service sector, particularly health sector and social services. There we still see high growth rates, and in terms of manufacturing, it's also the most recent labor market indications from surveys like the PMI shows that the situation remains very difficult. So this is actually another sign that the economic growth remains well below potential this year.
And lastly for today, Swiss officials have stated the country is the new route for EU-bound refugees, which has resulted in Germany tightening its border controls between the two countries to choke off a flow of illegal immigrants. How can you begin to assess the refugee situation impact upon the Swiss economy in the long term?
I mean, basically, this is now much more a humanitarian disaster, and the impact on the economy is very difficult to estimate at this stage. But obviously, the short-term positive effects based on expenditures will clearly fade soon, and in the longer run, the integration of migrants into the labor market at this scale is just not possible, which is a challenge for the economy for sure.
Thank you, Roland. Be sure to check back with Dukascopy for more updates throughout the week. I'm Sam Meredith, and see you next time.